In this video, I want to talk about how you can record new episodes only on YouTube TV. Now keep in mind, on YouTube TV, there is no specific only button to only record some sort of shows. But what you can do is you can add the show to your library, and from in there you will get all the future new episodes from that show. Now keep in mind, it will also give you the older ones, but this is the only way that you can get the new ones on your YouTube TV. So what you need to do is find the show that you want to do it with, click on the plus icon, and once you click, it should change into a check mark, and now it's added to your library. So then simply find your library, and in there you will now be able to see all the future recordings once they air. So that is how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.